Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a consistent spiral video background for quiz videos using Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and select Video from the Templates menu to create a new project. Choose the dimensions that suit your video. For example, 1080p for HD. Next, search for Spiral in the Elements section and choose a spiral background design you like. Adjust its size to fit the video dimensions. To animate the spiral, select the design and click on the Animate option. Choose a subtle animation like Fade or Rotate to keep it smooth for quiz videos. Now add your quiz content, such as text or images, on top of the spiral background. Ensure the background doesn't overpower the text by adjusting the transparency or blurring it slightly. Once your design is complete, click the Share button at the top right corner and then click the Download icon. Now, select MP4 Video to export the video with your spiral background and tap the Download button again. And that's it! You successfully created a consistent spiral video background for your quiz videos in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.